Hello everyone. What is the difference between objective and summary, and which one you should use to write an effective first part of your resume? In the previous example, we have discussed the common mistakes that most people do in resume, and one of them is writing a general objective like this example here. This applicant wrote he is seeking a job to learn from it and to fulfill his passion. But is that a good reason for a company to hire him? Can learning and gaining experience persuade the recruiters to hire him? Let's compare this with another example and point out what you can do to persuade the recruiters that you are the best one for the job. In this example, the applicant wrote a specific detailed objective. He's applying for a marketing specialist job in Coca-Cola, and he specified that in the objective. This example may be better than the first one, but if a company like Coca-Cola needed a marketing specialist, thousands of people would apply for the same position. So this objective doesn't really explain why they should hire him. It doesn't persuade the recruiters that he deserves a chance to be interviewed out of thousands of applicants. Using such a general objective isn't persuasive, and usually objectives aren't read, unless they are very unique and interesting. Now let's explain what you should write and why writing a summary is better than writing an objective. For an example, if you went to a shoe shop to buy a pair of shoes and it was very expensive, maybe worth $1,000, and when you ask the salesperson why is the shoes very expensive and why you should buy them instead of any other shoes, the salesperson replies, "Oh, it's $1,000 because I need the money to pay the rent and to buy supplies to my children." Do these reasons seem convincing to you? Does the salesperson made you even consider buying the shoes? Of course not. Now apply the same concept on job hunting. You are trying to convince companies to hire you by telling them that you want to learn, gain experience, improve yourself, and get money. This doesn't make a recruiters hire you. Recruiters would like to know how would you benefit the company, not just yourself. That's why it's better to write a summary instead of objective. And in your summary, you should highlight 3 main points. First, who you are and what do you do. Second, your qualifications that makes you the best one for the job. And third, why should the company hire you? What distinguishes you from others? Or how would you benefit the company? These are the 3 main points that you should write in your summary, and the reason why it's better than objective. In the next video, we are going to learn how to write the first part of resume to win recruiters' first impression and to convince them to consider you for a job interview. Stay tuned.